Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we are decoding the odd function and even function. Now, suppose that I have given you a function and then I am asking you whether the given function is odd function or even function, then how you have to respond. Now, what you have to do, you have to find out f of minus x. First, you will find out f of minus x. Suppose this f of minus x is coming out to be f of x. Then you can say that it is even function. Okay. So this is your definition of even function. At the same time, suppose you have to find out f of minus x and you got minus of f of x. This means you are getting odd function. Okay, so if your f of x is equal to minus of f of, if f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x, it is odd function. I hope this idea is clear. Now the idea is, if you will focus on the odd even function, the even function will be symmetric about y axis. Your even function will be symmetric about y axis. Okay, symmetric about y-axis means if you will fold this function along this y-axis, it will overlap. So this is symmetric about y-axis. If you have odd function, your odd function will be symmetric about origin. Your odd function will be symmetric about origin. Okay, means that like from this point, means like, try to understand. I will write down first. Symmetric about origin. Now look at this. Suppose that you will put mirror along this, so the image and this part will overlap, then it is even function. For this case, you have to put mirror on the origin and the graph which is looking here will present over here. Okay, so it is symmetric about origin. Okay, now suppose that you got a function and you find out that it is not even function. This doesn't mean the given function is odd function. Okay, there are some function which is odd function, there are some function which is even function, there are some function which is even and odd both, and there are some function which is neither odd nor even. Okay, when it comes to like onto into function, if the given function is onto, it is not into. If the given function is not onto, it is into. Okay, and some function will be onto and some function will be onto. There will be no function which is both, and there will be no function which is none. I'll give you one example where you will find out that a function is both odd and even. The function goes this way: f of x equals to 0. So this f of x equals to 0 is the only function which is odd as well as even. So this is both. Okay, odd and even function. How? If you will draw the graph now, you will find out that it is symmetric about y-axis as well as it is symmetric about origin. Okay, so what you have to do to judge a function whether it is even or odd, what you have to do, you have to replace x with minus x. If your f of x is coming, if your f of minus x is coming out to be f of x, it is even function. If your f of minus x is coming out to be minus of f of x, it is odd function. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.